Hey guys, it's Anissa Lamara. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing a full winter wash day routine from start to finish. So I am starting on really old hair. So I need to really clarify my scalp. So I'm going to do that by using the MoKnowsHair Scalp and Curl Clarifier. This is a pre-shampoo treatment that is really going to help remove all the pollutants and build up without stripping the natural oils in my hair. So before washing, I'm just going to apply it in 4 different sections and start to massage it into my scalp into a small little lather. And then next I'm going to wet my hair and smooth the product to the bottom of my curls. So starting from my roots and working my way down, and as you can see, the water basically activates the product. It's not a full lather like you would get with the regular shampoo. So this is just laying the foundation for the wash process to be as smooth as possible and to be as easy as possible. And like I said, this is going to remove all of that gel and foam and all of the products that I had built up in my hair, so my scalp is healthy, so the shampoo process will be easy. So next I'm going to shampoo my hair with the Aveda Matter Root shampoo. Again, this is a color depositing shampoo system. It has the shampoo and the conditioner. I'm going to apply the shampoo first. And as you can see, it gives a really nice lather. I'm not sure if they still sell the Matter Root on the Aveda website anymore, but there are a couple of other comparable products that are similar to this. But so this is just going to give me a nice cleanse. And then I'm going to deep condition with the MoKnowsHair Curl Restoring Treatment. It has quinoa protein, mogongo oil, mango butter, and it really helps to improve the elasticity of your hair. So I'm just going to apply this, and while I'm applying it, I'm just really kind of like pulling apart my hair, not detangling it, but just kind of like working through the tangle section by section. And make sure that you apply water because this is really going to activate the product. On the video, it doesn't look like I'm really doing much, but the product is really going on smoothly in my hair. And again, I'm just going to leave it in quadrants so it makes it easier to apply. And then I'm going to go in and just apply my old handy dandy Target plastic baggie, because of course I'm always going to use the greenhouse method, and I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 20 minutes. And as you can see, my hair is nice and fluffy and super soft and super moisturized. So next I'm going to use the Matter Root color conditioner, and as you can see, it's very red and vibrant, and so this is what I'm going to apply just to make my hair a little bit warmer. This is not a substitute for hair color, FYI. This is just kind of like if you want to boost your color or the warmness of the color that you have. That is it. Because my hair can get very dry, I always use this in addition to my deep conditioner. I don't use this just on its own. As you can see, my hair is nice and fluffy, and it's a little bit warmer and a little bit redder because it picked up those red tones. So now I'm going to go in and really start detangling my hair. I'm using a series of products. I'm using the MoKnowsHair Curl Primer, which is a leave-in conditioner. It's super lightweight because I want my hair to be hydrated and I want to prep and prime my curls, but without applying too much product. And then I'm also going to use that in conjunction with the Curl Styling Potion, which is a 2-in-1 leave-in conditioner. It has a soft hold, and I mix it with the curl smoothing pudding, and it has medium hold. So I kind of like made a little concoction with the MoKnowsHair products. So first I'm going to detangle. So I apply the leave-in conditioner, make sure that it's thoroughly drenched in water, and detangling first with a wide tooth comb, and then going in with the Denman brush. And then I'm going to apply the pudding and the curl potion to make a nice slick concoction where my curls are really going to take. I don't want a hard hold because, again, I want my hair to be very pliable. And I'm styling it in a specific style, so I just split it down the middle, and then I'm going to apply the Olaplex Bonding Oil, which is a highly concentrated reparative styling oil that's going to help strengthen and hydrate my hair. And then I'm going to sit under the dryer. It took about maybe an hour and some change for my hair to fully dry, and as you can see, my curls are popping. My hair is super hydrated, super healthy looking, and it feels amazing, and it's very soft, and my curls are really defined. So now I'm going to go in and stretch my curls a little bit more, and it is still a little damp in the back, so I'm going to use this ion blow dryer on a medium setting. I'm going to go in and not only just finish drying my hair, but I'm also going to stretch it out for the style that I'm going to be doing, which is going to be a slick back style. So I'm going to apply a little bit more of that bonding oil because, again, this is all about hydration. All of the products that I'm using are water-based products. The MoKnowsHair collection, listen, when I tell you, and I told her this collection loves my hair. It doesn't work in everyone's hair, obviously, but it definitely worked in mine. And just some things to note, I do have 3C to 4A hair. My hair is fine to medium, but very dense and very curly. Because it's so dense, it's going to get super dry versus someone who doesn't have hair that's as dense as mine. So it's really important to use those types of products to really kind of get in there and hydrate your hair. So next I'm going to apply some edge control. This is the Hicks Edge Control, and I'm just going to start playing around with my hair to see what type of style I want to do, which is going to be not a slick back style, but kind of like a poof in the back. This is a really great protective style to wear during this time of year where you want to kind of like keep it simple, but you still want to have your curls out, but you don't want to kind of like have to re-wet your curls or redefine your curls day by day. So pushing it back into a loose like pony / puff is a really great way to kind of like have a hairstyle to last a lot longer. And you can just apply whatever type of jewels you want to. I'm applying these really pretty pearl and gold clips that I got, I believe, from nastygal.com, and I believe from Target as well. And so that is the style, and I'm just going to kind of slick my edges down a little bit, and as you can see, my hair looks so bomb and so amazing. And so I'm just going to kind of show you guys a few more styles that you can wear. And this is where the pliability comes in, where when you're doing a wash and go or a shingle or whatever type of style you want to do, make sure that you can still move your hair. So as you can see, I'm going to split it down the middle and the back and create these low puffs on the side. And that's another cute way to wear your hair this time of year as well. And again, as you can see, it was really easy to kind of like put up. It didn't take much at all. And so that's the second look. And then the third look, I'm just going to push my hair back a little bit more and make it a little bit more sleek. It's still going to give you the same effects. It's going to be very sleek. And this is great for events. This is great for family parties, date night, whatever you want to do during this time of year. It is perfect for that. And it's perfect for the winter. So you don't really have to worry about re-wetting your hair or redefining your hair. Just tie it up at night and you are good to go. So that is my full wash day routine. It literally took me 4 hours from start to finish, which for a natural is absolutely a miracle because sometimes it can be a full wash day. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to be as detailed as possible, but of course I can't remember everything. So if you have any specific questions, make sure you leave those in the description box. If you would like to see more detailed videos like this, let me know. And make sure you rate, subscribe, and share this video. Talk to you guys later. Peace.